How to fix YouTube offline download problem. So if you want to fix YouTube offline download problem, then what you need to do is first you need to just open up your YouTube application. Once you open up your YouTube, go with the profile, which is on the bottom right, go with settings, which is on the upper right, and now you just need to simply scroll down, go with the downloads option right here. But if you don't have that, you just need to simply go with general settings. Under general, you may have your downloads. But in my case, I have the downloads right here. You just need to simply tap on downloads under your video and audio preferences. And now you just need to simply go and turn off the option, which is right here, download over Wi-Fi only. Make sure to turn it off, because if you've turned it on, then it will only download when you have Wi-Fi. So make sure to turn it off, and after turning that off, then your problem will be fixed. Once you've done that, you just need to simply tap and hold on to your YouTube application, go with the app info, tap on storage and cache, tap on clear cache. And you can also go with clear storage, and you can delete the storage if you want to, because it makes no harm to your YouTube app. So that's it. That's how you can fix YouTube offline download problem. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.